welcome everybody. I would like to present Psnc Supercomputing and Networking Center activity during last year, let's say, and our transnational activities in the Visionair project. So just a short introduction about ultra-high definition, our ultra-high definition infrastructure. So far we have 4K and 4K 3D node in Poznań. So we play a lot with multimedia, with streaming, and we offer this installation to researchers in Europe in scope of Visionair project. We also travel with the infrastructure, what means that we can move our projectors, our codecs, some parts of our infrastructure into remote locations, and we did a couple of such demonstrations or such experiments outside our venue, our offices. So it was a different approach to Visionair PNA, not hosting the researchers in Poznań, but also to travel with devices, with infrastructure to their own locations for conferences or events. Ultra-high definition and networking is WP5 in Visionair project. So it focuses on high definition imaging and broadband networks, sending the video streams to remote locations. So that's the idea of the WP5. We have 4 partners in WP5. All are connected with different networks. It's GÉANT, of course, GÉANT network, European Research Network, but also other networks such as GRIF, HPDNet, and so on. So all of partners can do common demonstrations or common experiments inside Visionair transnational access, and we did together with I2CAD or together with University of Twente, we did common PNAs as well. What's new in Psnc? We are just migrating to 8K and 8K 3D laboratory. So next year, in 2015, we will have fully equipped 8K installation. So it's our next step, and I hope we will be able to offer this for scientists and researchers in Europe. Not in scope, of course, not in scope of Visionair project, because Visionair will be finished, but we hope to continue our support for researchers using also new technology. And our transnational activities done last year. One presented on the previous seminar was Experimedia. It was for 3D high-quality video conferencing combined with augmented reality elements for remote sports training scenario. Experimedia, results of Experimedia was presented during demonstration on last General Assembly in Poznań. It was not for sport, but it was for dance performance. So there was trainer and a dancing team remotely, and remote 3D video conference of modern jazz choreography in remote training. So that was a benefit from this Experimedia TNA what we did last year. It was benefit for Visionair project. We were able to make a common demonstration during our meeting, which is of course very nice and very fine, because always in TNA proposals there is a place for benefit for Visionair. So it's a good example for such benefit. Another TNA we did was also high definition video conferencing, but supporting medicine. There is HyperMed project in Celtic. So this project is focused on creation of open telemedicine platform for doctors, for medical staff. And one of elements of this project is high definition video conferencing, helping doctors in their work, in their consultation, remote consultation. So together with ITOCAT, Psnc did DNA for Mercum from Spain and for University of Lorraine from France. There were two scenarios. One was professional emergency scenario, which allowed regional hospital without specialized equipment, specialized devices or services to connect to another hospital with equipped with special services or to provide urgent remote diagnostics. Another scenario was remote consultation between two doctors using 3D Full HD camera and video conference. This demonstration was done in Monaco on Celtic event because Hypermed is part of Celtic financing program. It was done in April this year, and the demo showed HD high definition low latency video conference for remote consultation between Psnc and Barcelona and between medical staff. What's quite important that Hypermed won the Celtic Silver Excellence Award. So of course it was a bigger project, making a lot of interesting things, but it's also, let's say, Visionair and also Psnc put a little brick into this project using DNA. So that was great. So it was a big success of Hypermed, of course, and big success also for ITOCAT and Psnc. So we decided together with Hypermed to make another demonstration for Spanish Ministry of Industry and some e-health authorities with a slight different scenario. So the demo was shown in June in Madrid, and it was separate DNA for 3D HD low latency video conference for remote consultation. So there were two different Hypermed DNAs, and now we are planning new DNA for University of Essex. University of Essex was a partner of Visionair, so they had some ultra high definition equipment as well. Now the Visionair project was moved to University of Bristol, but some equipment still left in University of Essex. So we are planning to make a common demonstration, common experiment in scope of DNA about software-defined networking, SDN. SDN is a new approach to computer networking, so it's quite interested for us as a research institution. We also do a lot with SDN. SDN separates network control and traffic forwarding in very simple words. So there are two layers, control plane and data plane, and it allows administrators to optimize network services to manage in better way. And it usually simplifies networking and gives new opportunities, new possibilities to manage network and to track. So this new TNA will be about seamless transcoder migration in ultra high definition content. We will use Interpix JPEG 2000 encoders and decoders, 4K 4K 3D installation in Poznań, and of course some equipment from University of Essex. There are a lot of research questions, and I think it will be great demonstration, great P&A. There are also some videos on Visionair webpage done. Some are done by Psnc about our previous P&As. So that's the URL. Here you can enter there from main page of Visionair project, and you can see more about Hypermed, about Xperimedia, about demonstration during general assembly, and I hope in the future also about the SDN.